Hello, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing on this alarm system. I recently purchased this for a buddy. It looks like it's Thustar. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. GSM alarm system. Got it off of Amazon for $65.99 plus tax. It was also an Amazon Prime item, and so that includes a 2-day free shipping. And I purchased it a few weeks ago here, and it has a 4.5 star out of 5 out of 39 reviews. So it looks like it comes with 2 remote controls, 2 door sensors. Let me focus a little bit better there. 1 motion sensor and the siren. This is a wireless system. Pretty nice packaging. Comes with some pretty cool stickers here. 4. Two and 2 there. Manual. Quick installation manual. Just some type of thank you thing, and it has like a reference here to YouTube for installation. I'll be looking at that a little bit after. An email. Drilling template for the mounting the keypad. It's packaged pretty well. This is the keypad. Looks pretty good. Looks like your standard keypad for the alarm system. A lot of connections in the back here. It is wireless, so it has the option for some hardwired accessories, and it comes with a rechargeable battery. I believe it has a battery backup time of approximately 8 hours. Again, this isn't a review, it's just a quick unboxing. I'd like to do a review later on after the installation, and I just wanted to show you what it comes with. Here is the AC to DC power supply. See how it comes into the box there. So it's all protected. Wireless motion sensor, on-off switch, extendable antenna. I think that's just maybe for setting it up. I'm not sure what the purpose of the extension is. A couple more of this. These are the door or window sensors. 2 of those. It comes with 2 of the key fobs. Let's see how that works. That slides forward. You focus a little bit there. Lock, unlock. It might have like a panic mode. I'm not sure what the other button is for. Got 2 of those. Some adhesive strips here for mounting the wireless devices. Here is the siren, small. I believe this is a 12-volt siren. Here's the contacts for the 2 wireless sensors, door or window. Little mini screwdriver, mounting bracket for the motion sensor, some screws, and some the plugs that go into the drywall. And there's some resistors that's included. And that's pretty much it. It seems like it's pretty basic. The price is right. I'm hoping that the installation is easy. And I'm hoping that there are a lot of information out there for the system for the do-it-yourselfers. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. I have a lot more to learn about this system, and I look forward to doing so. Have a good day.